Hey everyone, this is Laura. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'd love for you to come back, so please hit that red subscribe button. And if you are returning, I'm so glad to have you back. Today I am planning in my Happy Planner. I created this out of a memory keeper and I use it as my bag. I love the bag because I can be super fun with it and I can still have space to write the things that I need. The bag stays on my desk, so it's not like it's a floating planner. So I'm just adding a little bit of washi tape. I love this Make Today Amazing washi tape. It makes me happy, I guess, and it makes me remember to make today amazing, which I need a regular memory of that. So let's see, we are planning April 20th to April 26th. This week's a fun week for us. My husband's birthday's this week, and yeah, it's like spring, and I don't know, I feel like after the month of March we just need all the happy we can get at this point. Or 2020, I don't know. 2020 I literally thought was going to be an amazing year for us, and it's been a little interesting, you know. It started off with breaking my foot the second day in January, and it's just been interesting. I'm not going to say it's been bad because it really hasn't been horrible. It could be so much worse, but yeah. So I'm going to add a bunch of happy fun stickers for April 25th because it's my husband's birthday and I love him and I want to, I don't know, make that day pretty. So that's what we're doing. Okay, let me get back on track. Even if I had a track, I don't even know if I had a track. Quite honestly, I feel like I just keep hitting rabbit trails at this point. Yeah. Okay. I'm working out of a bunch of stickers between the Happy Planner and the Paper Studio. I'm just trying to use up some of the extra stickers I have. I love the Happy Planner stickers probably the most, but I definitely have some others, so I'm trying to use them up. And I was just trying to incorporate like some of the colors off the washi tape, I guess, some of the like pinks and blues, and I don't know. I just needed a happy spread this week, so that's what I am trying to do. Yeah. Oh, and I put farmers market because our farmers markets are starting to open up, and I really want to go. And there's one in my town, and it's on Sundays, and so I'm super excited that hopefully it opens up this weekend. I'm pretty sure it does. So thought I'd add that splash and rain petals. I thought that sticker was really pretty. I love the teal with the gold. I didn't think I would, but I really do. And plus it's April. April showers bring me flowers, right? So let's add some florals because florals make everything better, right? And so do hearts. Hearts and florals. They will be my lifesavers probably. Yeah. Let's see. What else can we do? I'm going to add, I want to find a quote sticker for a couple of these areas. I don't know why I threw the hearts on there. Don't ask. I'm not sure. I don't think they really fit after looking at my spread. I love the hearts, but yeah, I didn't do a good job. Anyways, I'm going to throw in a couple of quotes on this now, and that's going to be it. Do all things. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy coffee, and that's pretty close. And a party without a cake is just a meeting. So if you like this planner, or if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and have a blessed day, and we will see you again, I hope, soon.